If I had known 20 years ago that life would scatter us like dust in wind, I would have held your laughter tighter, called each ordinary day a gift. We came from different homes and stories, yet one table, one sky, one dream. Time never warned us of goodbye, it only taught us how to believe. I should have kept that moment longer, I should have let it stay with me. One table, one sky, one dream.
One table, one sky, one dream.
Hold me in the years between. Time took you far from my hands, but I still know one table, one sky, one dream.
One table, one sky, one dream. I came back to the college we once filled with noise, but the laughter stayed behind with you. The gates still stand, the walls remember, yet none of your faces meet mine.
I walk the path we walked together, benches where dreams were spoken loud, classrooms holding echoes of our names, now silent, patient, and proud. With tears I sat where we once sat, counting absences, not years. Every corner whispered your voices, every memory cost a tear. One table, one sky, one dream. One table, one sky, one dream. Hold me in the years between. Time took you far from my hands, but I still know who we were. One table, one sky, one dream.
One table, one sky, one dream.
Now oceans stand between our voices, different countries, different lives. I sit alone with borrowed silence, where memory is the only bridge I cross. If I could call you back to this moment, I would say what I left unsaid. Every ordinary day was holy, and I should have said it then. One table, one sky, one dream. One table, still know who we were. One take